Hey, so today we got a huge delivery. We got these electric drive vehicle. We got Pirellis, a huge shipment of Pirellis. We even got Bridgestone. We got Toyo. We got all these tires that are just like huge delivery of Bridgestones today. These are very nice tires, very popular tire. We also got a huge shipment of some Toyos. These are very popular tire as well. High-end tire, very good. We'll give you a best deal. Hey, we got these Pirellis right here for an amazing price. $550 outdoor, mounted, balanced, installed. $550. Free flat repairs, free rotations every 5,000 miles. Now we're talking about these Bridgestones. $790 out the door, a crazy price. Mounted, balanced, installed. Free flat repairs, free rotation every 5,000 miles. Come on down and get these. Now we're talking about these Toyo tires. $650 out the door, crazy price. Mounted, balanced, installed, free flat repairs, free rotation every 5,000 miles. Come on down.